Do you clean windows, inside cupboards, and appliances after a renovation?
Yes, we do. And these often overlooked areas are crucial parts of a professional after builder's clean. Here's what we cover. Interior window cleaning, including the removal of paint splatters, plaster marks, dust buildup, and smudges. Window sills, tracks, and frames thoroughly vacuumed and wiped clean. Inside cupboards, drawers, and wardrobes cleared of dust, plaster flakes, and builder residue. New appliances, external wipe, including ovens, range hoods, dishwashers, and fridges. These features often collect fine construction dust, adhesive residue, and greasy builder fingerprints, especially in kitchens and bathrooms. By cleaning these spaces in detail, we help you move back in with peace of mind that every drawer, shelf, and surface is ready for immediate use. If you're planning a property sale or handover, it's also essential for presentation. Need internal oven or fridge cleaning? We can add this as an optional upgrade.